As we age, our skin loses elasticity, hydration, and that natural glow we once took for granted. Fine lines appear, wrinkles deepen, and dryness becomes a constant battle. But the right facial oil can transform your skincare game, reviving radiance, smoothing texture, and deeply nourishing mature skin. In this video, we'll explore the best facial oils for aging skin, carefully selected for their proven ability to hydrate, repair, and restore your youthful glow. Let's dive into the top number 5 products that will help your skin age gracefully and beautifully. Kicking off our list at number 1, Kiehl's Midnight Recovery. The Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate is an award-winning night facial oil formulated to restore the skin's natural radiance while you sleep. Designed as an overnight treatment, it uses a potent blend of essential oils and botanicals to repair and rejuvenate tired, aging skin. Key features: this luxurious oil combines lavender essential oil, evening primrose oil, and squalane to deliver deep hydration and nourishment. Its lightweight, non-greasy texture ensures it absorbs quickly, supporting the skin's nighttime repair cycle while improving elasticity and smoothness. Usability. Ideal for mature, dry, or combination skin, this oil works well as the last step in your nighttime skincare routine. It's also suitable for those who prefer minimal skincare. Just cleanse, apply this oil, and let it do the magic overnight. Durability. A small amount goes a long way. One 30-milliliter bottle can last several months with nightly use, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term anti-aging skincare. Its glass bottle packaging also preserves the formula's potency.
In the second spot, we have Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil. The Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil is a radiance-boosting facial oil that targets dullness, loss of firmness, and uneven tone, 3 common signs of aging. This clean vegan formula merges the brightening power of vitamin C with deeply hydrating squalane for transformative results. Key features: formulated with an innovative oil-soluble vitamin C, this product delivers stable and long-lasting antioxidant protection. The addition of Damascus rose extract soothes the skin, while squalane mimics the body's natural oils to restore hydration without clogging pores. Benefits and usage. Use 2 to 4 drops both morning and night after serums or moisturizers. It helps fade age spots, brighten dull skin, and improve elasticity over time. Within weeks, users notice a more even tone and visibly youthful glowing complexion. Usability. Lightweight and fast-absorbing, this oil works seamlessly under makeup and sunscreen. It's suitable for sensitive skin and those who struggle with dryness or uneven texture. The pleasant rose aroma also adds a luxurious touch to daily skincare routines. Durability. Packaged in a sturdy glass bottle with a dropper, it preserves the stability of vitamin C. A little product covers the entire face, ensuring one bottle lasts around 3 months with consistent use, making it both effective and economical.
Coming in at number 3 is the Sunday Riley Luna. The Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil is a cult favorite retinol-based oil that works while you sleep to reduce wrinkles, refine pores, and smooth skin texture. Designed for mature skin, it combines the power of retinoids with nourishing botanical oils for visible renewal. Key features. Luna features trans-retinoic acid ester, which boosts collagen production and accelerates cell turnover without the irritation often associated with retinol. It's balanced with blue tansy and German chamomile oils that calm redness and strengthen the skin barrier. Benefits and usage. Applied 2 to 3 drops nightly on clean skin, massaging gently until absorbed. Over time, it helps fade fine lines, tighten pores, and improve firmness while maintaining hydration, resulting in a visibly youthful and even complexion. Usability. Despite being a retinol oil, Luna's soothing formula makes it suitable even for sensitive skin types. The distinctive blue tint fades upon application, and the light herbal scent creates a calming bedtime ritual. Pair it with sunscreen during the day for best anti-aging results. Durability. The 35 milliliter bottle lasts several months as only a few drops are needed per use. Its airtight packaging maintains the stability of retinoids, ensuring long-term effectiveness for nightly use. It's a long-lasting investment in skin transformation.
Taking our fourth spot is Vintner's Daughter Active Botanical. The Vintner's Daughter Active Botanical Serum is a luxury multi-correctional facial oil designed to address signs of aging, dryness, and dullness. Crafted from 22 nutrient-rich botanicals, this serum is celebrated as one of the most effective natural anti-aging elixirs on the market. Key features: this serum combines cold-pressed plant oils and potent botanical extracts rich in vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids. Key ingredients include rosehip, evening primrose, and frankincense oils, which promote cell renewal, improve elasticity, and deeply hydrate the skin. Usage and benefits: use 5 to 6 drops morning and night after cleansing. Pat into damp skin for optimal absorption. It supports collagen production, reduces the appearance of fine lines, and restores natural radiance while maintaining balanced hydration levels. Usability: suitable for all skin types, especially mature or dehydrated skin. It doubles as a serum and moisturizer, making it ideal for minimalists seeking an all-in-one product. The earthy botanical scent enhances the experience, evoking a spa-like ritual at home. Durability: though premium priced, its dense formula ensures long-lasting use. One bottle can last up to 5 months with regular application. The dark glass packaging shields the natural oils from light, maintaining freshness and potency for an extended period.
And finally, at number 5, we have the Ordinary Rose Hip Seed Oil. The Ordinary Rose Hip Seed Oil is a budget-friendly yet powerful anti-aging oil rich in natural retinoic acid and antioxidants. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to rejuvenate mature skin without breaking the bank. Key features: derived from wild rose bushes, this oil contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that support cell regeneration and improve elasticity. Its natural form of vitamin A gently boosts collagen production while fading scars and pigmentation. Usage and benefits: apply a few drops after serums or moisturizers in the evening. It helps soften wrinkles, reduce discoloration, and replenish moisture for smoother, more radiant skin by morning. Consistent use can visibly improve overall tone and texture. Usability: perfect for dry, mature, or uneven skin types. This lightweight oil absorbs easily without leaving a greasy residue. It can also be mixed with your moisturizer for extra hydration or used alone as a nighttime treatment. Durability: packaged in a UV-protected bottle, it maintains freshness and effectiveness for months. Since only a few drops are needed per use, a single 30 milliliter bottle can last up to 3 months, offering excellent value for daily anti-aging care. And there you have it, the best facial oils for aging skin that truly make a difference. Each of these number 5 products offers something unique, whether it's Kiehl's Nighttime Repair Magic, Biossance's Brightening Vitamin C Boost, or The Ordinary's affordable natural retinol alternative. The secret to youthful skin isn't about erasing age. It's about nourishing it daily with the right ingredients. Choose the oil that fits your routine, stay consistent, and let your skin glow with confidence, strength, and timeless beauty every single day.